Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, all of you. This is
Good
Daphne,
morning,
sir. Welcome you, all of you, again in the online lecture series of information system. Okay, last time we have studied regarding various types of the information system, and in detail we have studied who uses that information system and for what purpose the different types of the information system are get utilized. So from your side, I want to know which are the different types of the information system. Yes, which are the different types of the information system?
transaction processing system,
First one is the transaction processing. Then second,
management information,
management information system.
decision
Good.
support,
And third is the
decision
decision support
support,
system. And last one is the
executive
executive
information
information system.
executive information system.
Okay, very good. So all that information system we have seen with some example also. I hope all of you have got that previous session. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now today we are going to discuss about the role of the information system in the organizations. Okay. Up till we have seen various details related with the what exactly mean by the information system, then various examples of the information system, components related with the information system, various types of the information system, and then today we are going to see the role of the information system in the organization. Okay. Now, if you see the up till whatever the discussion we have done on the information system, from that also we can have the knowledge that there is a very vital or the important role played by the information system in the organization overall performance. Organization can be it can be the manufacturing industry, or it can be a educational institute, or it can be a government institute also. Okay, so in the previous session only we have seen the kind of support the information system provide to the users, that is simply from the like simple transaction processing as a simple kind of what we can say activities, to the various kind of difficult tasks like making the various kind of competitive decision at the strategic level of the organization. So in the types of the information system also we have seen uh, in short also we have discussed the role being performed by the information system. According to the type of the information system, the role of the information system is there. That last time also we have seen in short. Okay, but based on the specific support provided by the various kind of information system, the scientist O'Brien and the Marcus has identified the three fundamental roles played by the information system in various kind of businesses, and today we are going to discuss that three fundamental roles being performed by with the help of the information system. Okay, so let's start. In that, first one we have the information system support for the various kind of processes and the operation of an organization. Now you first tell me what is mean by the operations of the organization and what is mean by the process of organization. Then we'll study the further part. Yes, this already we have studied. What do you mean by the operations of the organization? Yes. What do you mean by the operations of the organization and process of the organization? Or you can also take it as the operations of the business or the process of the business. Yes. All of you got the question? Yes. Yes, all of you got the question. Or shall I repeat the question? Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you understand the question?
Repeat, sir, question, please.
What I asked, what is mean by processes of organization or operations of the organization? Or yes.
Organization is a concept of combining the work or individual or in a group.
Now what I ask, what is mean by the operations of organization or the operations of business? What is mean by the operations of the business?
Everything that happen within a company to keep it running.
Various kind of activities that happen within a company. That is nothing but operations of an organization or the operations of an business. Correct. Then what is mean by the process of organization or process of business?
It is a sequence of operations.
Exactly. Sequence of activities is nothing but we are calling it as a process of an organization. Okay. So first important role being played by the information system is in the support to the organization for the process of organization and support for organization to do the operations of an organization. Okay. Now here we take the simple example, hotel business, correct? We take the simple example of what? Hotel business. Now consider the situation, you along with your parents went for the trip, correct? All of you got the situation? Yes.
Yes, sir.
You with your parents
Yes, sir.
go for the trip in the some another city, correct?
Yes.
And there you make a halt and you go for the hoteling, correct? For the stay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now what you do when you go to the hotel, you make the entries within in that registers of the hotel, correct? Notebook of the hotel. Yes.
What, sir?
Yes, sir.
When you go to the hotel, you make your entries within a register of that hotels or the notebook of the
Yes,
hotel.
yes.
Yes, means
Yes,
that is
sir,
called
yes.
as what? Customer check-in, correct?
Yes.
That is called as what? Customer check-in. And when you want to leave the hotel, you do the checkout, correct?
Right. Yes, sir.
Now instead of in that hotel, instead of using the notebooks and the papers, if that hotels are having the computers and the software which will handle the entries of the customer, like customer check-in and the customer check-out, which will be more beneficial for customer as well as for the hotel.
The computer and the software.
Definitely.
Time.
Yes, definitely the computers and the software instead of notebook and the papers to record such information will be the beneficial for the customer as well as for the hotel. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, means for that purpose that hotel business has to maintain the one information system.
Yes.
Yes, understood. So using that information system, if that information system is made online, will the customer can able to do the bookings through the website also?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So there is a no need for the in physical customer, in individual customer, that he has to he before going to that hotel, when the you along with your parents planning for the trip, we can do the booking of the hotel. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Understood. Now that will help the hotel business. How that will help the hotel business? That will help in the way the number of office staff which will be needing there in the registration bench, that will be get what we can say, the need of that
Reduce.
office staff will
Reduce.
be get what we can say, reduce. Yes.
Reduce. Yes, sir.
So pressure that I have written here, pressure on the front office staff will be get reduced. Understood. Now one point I want to make you clear here, then that I want to ask you, and then we'll discuss on that, whether a website can also be considered as an information system. Specific website can also be considered as a kind of information system.
Yes.
Yes or no? All of you are agree?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Definitely. Let me give you the one example. All of you must have utilized your DT site, DT, while filling the form, etc., etc.
Yes, sir.
All of you must have utilized the DTE site. How you have utilized that? For what purpose?
For examination form,
To fill the examination form. Yes.
scholarship form,
Etc., etc. Means, for example, we just DTE site for the purpose of, we take the example for filling the admission form. Correct? Yes. We consider the example to use the DTE site for the filling the for to fill the admission form. Yes. All of you agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Now, when you are filling the admission form, you are filling your yourself information, your personal information, your educational information on that website. Correct?
Yes.
So when you fill that information, that DT website is collecting your information,
Right.
right? And when you complete your filling information, the DT website storing that information somewhere on the server.
Yes.
Then when your merit list will get displayed, that is what? That is nothing but the processing of information. What I'm asking, when you fill the form, the DT website store your information on some server, and when your merit list get displaying that merit list is nothing but the processing of your information or not?
Yes, sir. Right.
Correct?
Yes.
And when the merit list get display and that information get distributed to all of you, that is nothing but the distribution of information. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And that is nothing but our definition of the information system.
Information system, collection,
Correct or
process.
not? Set of interrelated components like the hardware, software, peoples, which doing the task of what? Collecting the information, storing the information, processing the information, and
Processing.
distributing the information. So likewise, the hotel can also maintain their website, which can be utilized by the customer to make their online booking and to make the online payments also, so that it will become helpful for the doing the operations of that hotel business, as well as doing the processing of that hotel business. Am I right? Correct? Yes. Maintaining the hotel website will it be the beneficial for the customer and hotel business also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because as I now have discussed, website can also be acting as a information system. That information system you can refer as a web information system. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So another task now, there are, it is not like that every hotel is having the information system to do all these kind of tasks. But if you see the 3-star hotels, 5-star hotels, they are all having such kind of information system. Okay. Now such kind of information system can also help that hotel business in the housekeeping department. What do you mean by the housekeeping department in the hotel? What is meant by the housekeeping department? Yes. Housekeeping means what? Yes. What do you mean by the housekeeping department of hotel? Yes, Mayur. Housekeeping department means what?
ते
Hmm?
क्लिनिंग ठेवता हॉटेल लेतात त्याची क्लिनिंग वगैरे सगळं.
Yes, those staff in the hotel who is doing the cleaning of the that particular rooms, who check which rooms are empty, which rooms are being under utilization, etc., etc. So if the information system being utilized, now you must be knowing 3-star hotels or the 5-star hotels, they are not like the single stories hotel. It is the multi-story hotel, means ekapeksha they are like the big buildings. Understood? So at each particular what you can say, at each particular what you can say stories of that hotel, there might be the what can I say, the use of the information system where employee can directly enter the information related with what, which rooms are ready to utilization and which rooms are already under the utilization. These information can be filled by the staff of that hotel within that information system, so that that employee, there is no need that employee has to go personally to the managers of the hotel and tell the managers that these rooms are empty and these rooms are under utilization. Okay, so that kind of effort, utilization of effort is being get saved if information system is being utilized in the to do the various kind of operations or the processes of hotel business. Okay, this point is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now another thing, this part already I told you ki housekeeping department, the staff who are working at the housekeeping department can inform to the front office which rooms are ready for use, which are not, without the personal interaction of staff as a result of the information system. जर त्या हॉटेलच्या प्रत्येक, आपण काय म्हणतो, स्टोरी मीन्स त्या हॉटेलचा मजला. ओके, जर त्या हॉटेलचे 5 मजले असतील, ओके, इफ दॅट हॉटेल इज द 5-story हॉटेल, तर प्रत्येक मजल्यावर काय असेल, एक कॉम्प्युटर असेल आणि त्याच्यावर तुमचे काय असेल, इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम इन्स्टॉल केलेले असेल. अंडरस्टूड? अँड द पर्सन्स हु आर वर्किंग ऍट ईच ऑफ द, त्या प्रत्येक मजल्यावर जो स्टाफ काम करत असेल, तो स्टाफ काय करू शकेल, तो स्टाफ ती जी इन्फॉर्मेशन असेल की कुठल्या रूम शिल्लक आहेत, कुठल्या रूम शिल्लक नाहीत, ते सगळे इन्फॉर्मेशन तो स्टाफ त्या बिल्डिंगच्या जी इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम आहे त्या प्रत्येक मजल्यावर, त्याच्यावर तो एंटर करू शकतो. करेक्ट? येस.
Yes, sir.
त्याला
Yes, sir.
प्रत्यक्ष खाली रिसेप्शनला जायची गरज आहे का त्या स्टाफला?
No.
नाही. करेक्ट. सो it is nothing but the saving of the efforts, saving of the energy of that staff, also wastage of time is also get reduced. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And that is nothing but the running of organization has now become smooth and easy because of such kind of integration of the information system. And that is nothing but our first important role being played by the information system, that is to support the business in order to carry out their processes and the carry out the operation of organization or the business. Correct? Now here I have just utilized the example of hotel business. Such kind of support can also given by the information system to the manufacturing industries, to the educational institute, etc., etc. Here what we have utilized here, simply we have utilized the example of hotel business. Correct? Shall we move forward to the next role of the information system? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First role, all of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first role, can I call the first role is being played by which type of the information system? Can you tell me which kind of information system can play the first role? Can you able to tell me from the discussion we have done?
Transaction.
Exactly. Very good. Who is this? Vaishali?
Burnare.
Yeah, very good. So as we have seen, the transaction processing system doing the role of keeping the records, and simply what same thing we have discussed here. So in order to carry out the first role of the information system, there can be the utilization of transaction processing system. Good. Let's move forward to the another role of the information system, and that is very much important. That is the information system support for business employees and the managers to make the well-informed decisions. Okay. Firstly, we have seen what support for business to do their operations and the processes, which include the to help the business or that organization to carry out their regular activities or the sequence of activity. Second role says what? The information system support for employees and the managers of business to make well-informed decision. To do what? To make well-informed decision. Okay. Now second role is what? To support the managers. The managers can be a junior level managers, it can be a senior level managers, or it can be a top level managers also. To all of them support to make the well-informed decisions. That is nothing but the second role performed by the information system. Okay. So here I have written, this is because the information system have the capability of analyzing the data that has been collected from within an organization and from external sources into the useful information which can be utilized by the employee and the manager in their decision making process. What do we mean by analyzing the data that has been collected both? One is from within the organization and another from external sources. What do you mean by the collection of information from the external sources? Yes. Analyzing the data that is collected from within the organization. Within organization means what? From the employees of the organization, or from the workers of the organization, or from the customer who visit that organization, etc., etc. But what do you mean by the external sources? Yes, anybody?
सर जी तुम्ही जे एक्झाम्पल दिलं होतं वेबसाईटचं
Which one?
त्याच्यावर
Market price.
Market price. Good. Means external resources means getting the information from the market. Understood? What is actual prices of that certain kind of product within a market. Understood? So such kind of collection of information is being done with the help of the information system, which can be utilized by whom? Which can be utilized by the employees, that's the workers, and the managers who are working within a organization to make the decision making process. Now one fact is there, decision can be made good or the better or accurately only if the information provided is what? The accurate information. Understood? If the information is not accurate, definitely it will affect on what? The decision being made by the that managers or the top managers. Understood? Because your information system will guide you to make the decision only basis of what? Only basis of what kind of information is being input to that information system. Am I right? Yes. Vaishali? Yes. Did you hear me what I said, or shall I repeat? Mayur?
सर एकदा रिपीट करा.
What I
Repeat
said,
करा, sir.
what I said, तुमच्यापर्यंत आवाज लेट पोहोचतोय का माझा?
थोडासा कधी कधी मिस होऊन जातो किंवा कधी कधी असं थोडं फ्लक्च्युएट.
That because of the frequency problem. Okay, what I said, the good decisions or the correct decision can be only made if the accurate information is given as an input to the information system. Correct or not?
Yes, correct.
जर इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीमला तुम्ही इनपुट जर इनकरेक्ट दिलं तर इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीम जे तुम्हाला काय करणार आहे, जे गाईड करणार आहे की कुठला विच डिसिजन यू शुड टेक, तर इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टीमला जर तुम्ही इनपुट इनकरेक्ट दिलं, the output that you will get from the information system, that will be also the incorrect.
Yes.
Yes, definitely. So information system just work according to the what kind of information we are giving as an input to that information system. Correct. Now, so such kind of support or the role being performed by the information system to make the well informed decision, the various kind of information system being get utilized are nothing but these three important kind of information system which already we have discussed, which are management information system, then decision support system, and the third one, executive information system. So with the help of these three information system, the information system can perform its role of supporting the managers. That managers might be from the middle level or managers might be from the top level. That is being done with the help of these three information system: management information system, decision support system, and the executive information system. Okay, now what point we have to discuss here, which kind of decision being supported and how. We have to see the example of that. Understood? Now, for example, consider, now in order to make various kind of reports, that in the types of the information system also we have seen these three information system, just I told you which one, MIS, DSS, and the EIS, they are being utilized for the purpose of generating the various kind of statistical reports in the form of graphs and the charts, which will guide the top level managers and which will guide the middle level managers. In which way? In the providing the trend of orders, in the way of providing the customer analysis, in the way of product sale, in the way of profitability, in the way of finished stock position and the forecast, in the way of absentee reports of the employee, in the way of job evaluation reports of the employee, and different many more ways. Understood? So managers and the employee use all these reports through the graphs or through the Excel format or through the charts to make various kind of decisions. Understood? All of you got what kind of support is being given by the information system to the managers?
Yes.
Yes. Now we have to see the example. For example, we will see the related with the hotel. We will see the example only. Okay. Now consider Mayur is running one hotel business. Okay, Mayur is running the one hotel business and he has utilized the information system. Now Mayur want to know what is the trend of order. What do you mean by the what is the trend of order? Trend of orders of the hotel.
Most favorite dish of public
Yes.
people coming in the hotel. Most favorite dish of people coming in the hotel.
Can't hear you properly, Mayur.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
Mayur. Yes.
Sir, favorite dish लोकांची favorite dish काय आहे ती trending?
Trend of, okay, that is quite related, but trend of orders means what? How many customers are coming on the evening? How many customers are ordering on the morning? How many customers are ordering on the afternoon? That is nothing but considered as a trend order of one day. I am telling you what trend order of one day. Understood? So this trend, how will you be get know about this trend? Using the information system only? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Means suppose now if the information system will tell you the trend of orders during the evening is the high, correct? During the evening is high, trend of orders during the afternoon it is slightly less, and the trend of orders during the morning it is more less, correct? Then what kind of decision can be taken by Mayur? Now during the evening there is no problem. Yes.
इव्हिनिंगला जास्त स्टाफ रिक्वायर्ड राहील.
Correct. That is the one decision can be taken. Another. आता afternoon ला आणि evening ला कमी आहे, correct? Then what can be done? What can be done to increase the customer orders at the afternoon and the evening?
डिफरंट फॅसिलिटी प्रोव्हाइड करेल.
The
अजून काही
kind of
मेनू मध्ये.
offers and the discount can be provided. Yes.
Yes.
So that is nothing but the help of the information system to the manager of hotel in making the decision, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Then the information system can also help to the manager of hotel, for example, to the Mayur, regarding the customer analysis. Regarding what? Customer analysis. Means what? Whether the same customers are coming every day or the different customers are coming. Whether the ratio of the same customer coming is higher or ratio of the different customers coming is higher. What do you mean that? What do you mean by that? Barabar? Same customers and the different customers means what? Now hotel which is at the corner of the road, okay, which is on the highway, their customers are ratio of their customers of similar will be higher or ratio of the customer of different will be higher? Definitely different. But if the hotel is in the Yaula city, the ratio of the similar customers means same customer coming again and again, that ratio will be higher, correct?
Yes.
So that is nothing but the customer analysis can be done. Then record of the product sale that can be maintained, and from the decision can be taken. Profitability, okay, profitability record. Then finished stock in the sense material, okay, stock in the sense material. And forecasting means what? आता किती शिल्लक आहे आणि आणखीन किती लागू शकतं? How much may be required in the future? That is nothing but the forecast, correct? You must have heard about the weather forecasting. म्हणजे काय? हवामानाचा अंदाज. इथं weather forecasting नाही, इथं काय? इथं stock forecasting, material forecast, की आपल्याला भविष्यात आणखीन किती मटेरियल लागू शकतं आणि त्याच्यानुसार manager can take the decision. Then decision related with the absentee reports of the workers or the employees. How this can be useful to the manager?
During the payment.
during the payment, then what kind of decision managers can take using the absentee reports and the job evaluation report? Yes, Suryavanshi. Mansi. Absentee reports आणि job evaluation reports वरून manager काय decision घेऊ शकतो?
If most of the workers are absent, if any worker most of the time absent, then it will
Yes.
fire.
Means
And if
yes.
Work is good, then it will be promoted.
Yes, very good. If some employees or the workers remaining absent most of the time in the month, the manager can give him the warning first thing, and or if even he don't hear the warning also, the managers can fire him. If some employees are doing the very good, that can be evaluated with the help of job evaluation report, he can be get promoted. Those employees are doing the good job, finishing their target within a time or within a less than the time, their job evaluation will be good, and those employee can be get promoted. So all these kind of decision can be taken by the managers with the help of what? The information system. Correct? समजलं सगळ्यांना? Yes. Now one more good example we can refer related with the hotel business only. Decision related with which dishes or which meals should be there in the hotel menu and which can be removed from the hotel menu. Yes. Decision on which meals, in the sense meal. Yes, all of you get corrected again.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have got disconnected because of the time limit. Okay, now we are discussing what? The decision related with the menus of the hotel. Okay. Now what I'm asking you, yes, all of you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now what I'm asking you, some menus of your hotel is being preferred by the customers very less number of times within a month. Got the situation? Then what kind of decision can be taken by the managers of that hotel? You got the situation? Example समजलं का काय सांगितलं मी?
No, sir.
Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
What I said, if some dishes or some menus of your hotel prefer by the customers of your hotel very less number of times within a month, then what kind of decision will be taken by the managers of your hotel?
Delisting that menu or
he can simply do what? He can remove that from the hotel menu. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Because if he keep that menu in the menu card of the hotel, he has to bring the vegetables related with that menu. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
बरोबर ना? असं तर होत नाही ना की तुम्ही ऑर्डर दिल्यानंतर हॉटेल मधले कर्मचारी बाजारात जाऊन भाजी घेऊन येतात, असं होतं कधी? नाही, त्यांना सगळं मटेरियल अगोदरच they have to keep all the material there. So if some menu is not being preferred by the customers, then what is the use of putting that menu in the menu card? So that food can be removed from the menu card, and this kind of support can be get from the information system, where the quick decision can be made by the managers, and that is being nothing but the one of the great role performed by the information system, which is supporting the employees and the manager of the business. All of you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. So because of that, reduction in the wastage of food also be happen? Yes or no? Reduction in the
Yes,
wastage of
sir.
food? Yes, definitely.
Yes.
Okay, so this is our second role of information system. Then let's move forward to the last one. That is the information system support to make the strategies for the competitive advantage. This is the very important. Information system support to make the strategies for the competitive advantage. Here also that three information system play the role. Which three?
Management.
MIS, DSS and the EIS. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, can you able to tell me what do you mean by the strategies for the competitive advantage? What do you mean by strategies for the competitive advantage?
मार्केटमध्ये जे
हा.
अपोजिटर्स आहे त्यांच्यासाठी काहीतरी स्ट्रॅटेजी बनवायची.
Correct. Means what? Samsung and the other Oppo. These are the two mobile companies.
Yes, sir.
All of you must be knowing Oppo and the Samsung. These are the two mobile
Samsung.
companies. Means these two companies are the competitors of each other in the mobile sector.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So how the information system support can be provided to Samsung, or how the information system support can be provided to the Oppo, so that Oppo mobile company can make the good strategies as compared with the Samsung, and Samsung can make the more better strategy than the Oppo, so that Samsung might be in the ahead of the race of the Oppo, or Oppo might be in the ahead of the race of the Samsung. So that kind of strategies can be made with the help of the information systems like our MIS, DSS and the EIS information system. Now here there are the multiple ways where the information system support can be provided to make the strategies. We will see that with the example. Let me just introduce the point here. Competition in the today's business is very much keen, and what will become important here in the today's competition is how quickly company can convert their realm of information they collect into the knowledge, so that they can provide the service and the products ahead of their competitors. Now you tell me, what do you mean by how quickly? You tell me the meaning of this. How quickly companies can convert their realm of information? How quickly companies can convert their realm of information, this point they collect, into the knowledge? Can anybody able to tell me the meaning of this? Yes. How quickly company can convert their realm of information they collect into the knowledge?
Lots of data.
Means what? Lots of data in the sense what? Reams, yeah, reams of information means a lot of data. Yes, correct. So important thing here is what? How quickly you convert that whatever information your company is having into the knowledge. So more quickly will be you convert that information into the knowledge, you will be the ahead of your competitors. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now let's take the example for this. For example, related with the mobile only, we'll take the example. Now these all the mobile companies are used to do the survey. Okay, online survey or the offline survey, etc., etc. Okay, as well as this company also regularly used to view or analyze reviews of the customers. Do you got the point what I'm saying? Yes. Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
What
Yes,
I
sir.
said, we are considering the example of mobile companies, what I said, these mobile companies used to do the online survey of the customers or offline survey of the customers related with their product. That is called as what? The review of the product from the customer, correct? Review means what? Review.
फीडबॅक घेणं.
Yes. तुम्ही कधी बघितलं का वेबसाईट वर जाऊन Amazonच्या किंवा कुठल्या ज्या ऑनलाईन मोबाईल कंपनी ऑनलाईन वेबसाईट ज्या आहेत त्या मोबाईल सेल करतात. तुम्ही जर मोबाईलच्या इफ यू सी द इफ यू क्लिक ऑन एनी मोबाईल आयटम बिलो दॅट ऑल्सो यू विल गेट द कस्टमर रिव्ह्यूज. कधी बघितलंय तुम्ही असं? बघितलंय ना, करेक्ट. सो these companies are used to analyze these reviews, as well as this company also used to conduct online surveys as well as the offline surveys. So from that they are getting some information related with their product.
Yes.
Now as I said you the example of Samsung, okay, and another example of Oppo, correct? Now Samsung also doing the online survey, offline survey. Samsung also analyze the reviewing of their own product. First thing is what? Doing all these things for their own product, correct?
Yes, sir.
As well as Samsung is also doing this related with the product of the Oppo also. You got the point?
Yes, sir.
Samsung is doing all these surveys and the reviews for his own product also, and Samsung is doing all these reviews and the survey for Oppo company also. What is the conclusion of this? We can understand Samsung is doing the survey review of their own product. That is the good thing, correct? But Samsung is also doing
त्यांच्या प्रोडक्ट बद्दल सुद्धा
yes, continue.
जसे ते पॉझिटिव्ह आहेत का निगेटिव्ह अँड ओप्पो बद्दल सुद्धा त्यांना समजेल की त्यांचं काय प्लस पॉइंट्स आहे किंवा काय निगेटिव्ह पॉइंट्स आहे. सो ते स्वतःच्या प्रोडक्ट मध्ये तसे चेंज.
Yes, means these companies are doing the survey of their own product also and the survey of other company product also. So from that they can, what information they can get? They can get the information if the product which is being launched by another company, if there are some lapses in the sense errors, or if there are some more expectation of the customers. You are getting what I'm saying?
Yes.
So using that information, for example, Samsung can launch the new product, yes or no?
Yes.
Samsung can launch the new product which will be according to the expectation of the customer, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now consider Samsung is having the information system, but Oppo is not having the information system. Just we have to imagine. You got the situation? What? Samsung is having the information system, but Oppo is not having the information system. Then who can make the product quickly?
Samsung.
Definitely Samsung can make the product ahead of their competitors, correct or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Means what?
Yes,
The Samsung can make the strategies which can give them the competitive advantage ahead of the Oppo.
Yes.
And that is nothing but the information system support to make the various kind of strategies for the competitive advantage. Yes or no?
Yes.
So like this, there are the various ways using which the strategies for the competitive advantage can be made. Now specifically, this kind of strategic information system can help in the hospitality operations. Means what? Can anybody be able to tell me the hospitality operations means what? Hospitality operations means what? Yes, Mansi.
जी सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हाइड करतो आपण ती
करेक्टली. हॉस्पिटॅलिटी म्हणजे काही नाही तर वाटत असेल हॉस्पिटल, तसं नाही. बरोबर. इथं हॉस्पिटॅलिटीचा अर्थ काय? आदरातिथ्य करणे. मराठीमध्ये, शुद्ध मराठीमध्ये काय?
आदरातिथ्य करणे.
आदरातिथ्य म्हणजे आपण त्याला सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हाइड करणं म्हणतो टेक्निकल वर्ड मध्ये. करेक्ट. So this kind of strategic information system being utilized nowadays in the hospitality operation with various kind of innovative mediums which need to provide the product and services that will give them the comparative advantage over their competitors. Now what we have to discuss here, what do we mean by hospitality operations with the innovative mediums? That is our next point of discussion. Okay, see here, the scientist name et al. Observe that the hospitality industry म्हणजे हॉटेल झालं, मोबाईल कंपन्या झाला, these all things comes under the hospitality industry. Hospitality industry can get more advantage in the result if following things are being followed. These are nothing but innovative mediums to provide the hospitality operations or to conduct the hospitality operations or to provide the very good services to your customers. Now in that, first point is what? Switch off the mic. First way is what? Increase room sales. Increased room sales can be considered as one of the competitive advantage in the hospitality industries or in the hospitality operations. Now my question is what? How the increase in the room sales for the particular hotel can be done with the help of the information system? Do you got the question? Yes.
No sir.
What I said, increase in the room sale म्हणजे काय की एखाद्या हॉटेलच्या रूम जास्तीत जास्त बुक झाल्या पाहिजेत as compare with the other hotel, as compare with their other competitor. Understood?
Yes sir.
Then my question is what? How this can be achieved?
जास्तीत जास्त फॅसिलिटीज प्रोव्हाइड करून आणि त्या रूमची प्राइस थोडी कमी राखून बाकीच्या हॉटेल्स पेक्षा.
Okay, this is the one way. Another way,
Advertising.
I'm asking relevant to the information system. Through the information system, how it can be done? That is my question. Through the information system,
Advertising.
how exactly? Advertising. Then one of the way I have shown here, efficient reservation system. Means what? User friendly reservation system and the organizational websites. जर त्या हॉटेलची जर रिझर्वेशन सिस्टीम साठी जर वेबसाईट असेल, then definitely which hotel the customer will prefer? Those hotel is having the reservation system online or those hotel which is not having it. Which hotel will be preferred by the customer?
Having the reservation.
Having the online reservation system, correct or not?
Yes.
So that is also the support being provided from whom? Information system. Another way is what? Another way is what? Increase the decrease the cost of goods. Decreasing the cost of goods can also give you the competitive advantage.
Yes.
How? This is the important. How? Yes, Mayur. How the decrease in the
cost of goods म्हणजे आता
प्रोडक्टची कॉस्ट. हां, बरोबर.
प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट जर डिक्रीज केली तर आपल्याला कसं बेनिफिट होईल असं?
How the decrease in the cost can be done so that you will be ahead of your competitor. डिक्रीज कॉस्ट ऑफ गुड्स करण्यासाठी त्या प्रोडक्टची ऍक्च्युअल कॉस्ट कमी करणं हा एक वे झाला, बरोबर. अनदर वे काय, रिडक्शन इन द ऑपरेटिंग कॉस्ट. If reduction in the operating cost will happen, automatically cost of good will also become less. Yes or no?
Yes.
What do you mean by then reduction in the operating cost? Reduction in the operating cost and less expensive distribution channels. Can anybody able to tell me the meaning of these? And if anybody will tell me the example, then it will be very good. Do you understand what I'm asking? Reduction in the operating cost.
Sir.
What I ask, decrease the cost of goods using what? Through the reduction in the operating cost and through the less expensive distribution channels. How the operating cost can be reduced? That is my question.
The product quality थोडी कमी करून किंवा
नाही. You should not mess with, or you should not what you can say, do that kind of things to reduction in the quality.
Sir, आपण ऑनलाईन शॉपिंग करतो.
Exactly, very good. You made the very good point. Yes. Kote, continue.
आपण काही परचेस केलं तर त्याच्या काही ज्या गोष्टी आहेत त्यांच्यावर डिलिव्हरी कॉस्ट असते. पण सपोज आपण ती डिलिव्हरी कॉस्ट कॅन्सल केली, ओनली त्या प्रोडक्टची कॉस्टच ठेवली, तर मग आपल्याला प्रॉफिट भेटतो आणि कॉस्ट पण म्हणजे जे प्रोडक्टची क्वालिटी ती पण राहते, आपल्याला प्रॉफिट पण भेटतो.
Yes, your point is right, but delivery cost cannot be reduced. I will give you the very good example for this. Okay, now most of you have purchased the mobile from the online site like the Amazon, Snapdeal, etc. Yes. तुम्ही कधी कंपेअर केलंय का, जो मोबाईल तुम्ही ऑनलाईन परचेस करताय त्या मोबाईलची प्राइस आणि सेम मोबाईलची प्राइस येवल्यामधल्या एखाद्या स्टोर मध्ये जाऊन कुठल्या मोबाईलची प्राइस कमी असते?
ऑनलाईन.
Very good. Exactly. Online price always used to be the, I think, 500 and more than 500 of benefit you can get. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
How this is so? That is the question.
सर, जे ऑफलाईन आपण शॉपिंग करतो तिथे जे प्रोडक्ट्स येतात त्याला शिपिंग चार्जेस, ते जे आणतात त्याच्यावर टॅक्स वगैरे ते लागून
जे तुम्ही आता आपण you purchase the mobile from the shop means you are purchasing from the retailer. Yes or no?
Yes.
All of you are agree, you are purchasing from whom? Retailer.
Yes, sir.
But until that product is reaching to the retailer, it has to pass through the link like that product comes to the retailer from the manufacturer first, then from the manufacturer that product goes to the distributor, second from distributor that product goes to the wholesaler, third, and from the wholesaler that product reaches to the retailer. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, means each of these player, I am calling all of them as a player. Okay, I am calling the manufacturer as a one player, distributor as a one player, wholesaler as a one player, and retailer as a last player. Okay, each of these player is adding their some cost in that product. If original mobile company mobile price is 10,000, consider the example, manufacturer add their benefit in that, like for example 50 rupees, then distributor also add 50 rupees, wholesaler also add 50 rupees. So automatically the price of that mobile get increased by the more than 200 rupees. Yes or no?
Yes.
When you are purchasing the mobile online, you are bypassing the between channels, between players.
Yes.
Yes or no? All of you are agree?
Yes, sir.
You are bypassing the, for example, distributor, wholesaler, retailer also. Correct? Correct or not?
Sir.
Yes. And
Yes.
that is the online purchasing is nothing but your less expensive distribution channel. Got the point?
Yes.
हो yes.
Yes. Okay. And this is nothing but the reduction in the operating cost. Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes. And that's why the price of mobile that you purchase online is less than the price of mobile that you purchase offline from the store. So that is also the nothing but the competitive advantage. Yes or
Right.
no? If the
Yes,
Samsung
sir.
Samsung company is providing the online selling facility and Oppo is not providing, just as an example we have to imagine, then definitely what will prefer? We'll prefer the Samsung. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So that is nothing but giving the competitive advantage. Correct?
Yes.
Because of what it is become possible? Because of the information system that is the Amazon is available, which is working on the behalf of Samsung, for example. Another way of getting the competitor advantage is the brand awareness that somebody tell now already mentioned. Doing the advertisement campaign of your product to the targeted customer as compared with the competitors. That is also the good way. And another important strategy is nothing but good customer organization relationship. How this can be useful? Can anybody explain me? Another way of taking the competitive advantage using the information system, that is good customer organizational relationship. Yes, Mansi?
Fulfill the customer requirements.
Okay, that is the one point. Another?
सर सपोज आता मी मोबाईल घेतला सॅमसंगचा
बरोबर.
हा आणि आता मला त्याची सर्व्हिस सगळं आवडलं तर एक कनेक्शन झालं, रिलेशनशिप झालं, तर मी परत नेक्स्ट टाइम जर प्रोडक्ट घ्यायचं विचार केला तर सगळ्यात पहिले सॅमसंगला दे.
करेक्ट. बट इफ द सॅमसंग नॉट प्रोव्हाइड यू द गुड सर्व्हिस, then will you go for the Samsung again?
No.
No. So that is nothing but good customer organizational relationship. How this can be applied related with the hotel?
आपली जी आता ऑर्डर केल्यानंतर कमीत कमी टाइम मध्ये
ते तर झालं, पण नाही ते तर झालं, दॅट इज ओके. बट apart from the time you are using the hoteling, that is I am asking.
What sir?
Apart from the time you are utilizing the hotel, म्हणजे तुम्ही त्या हॉटेलमध्ये जायलाच पाहिजे असं नाही, तरी सुद्धा कस्टमर ऑर्गनायझेशनशिप रिलेशनशिप मेंटेन झाली पाहिजे. दॅट इज माय पॉइंट. हे कसं होऊ शकेल?
टेस्ट ऑफ द फूड.
No, you are not getting my question. हॉटेलमध्ये गेल्यानंतर ते तर तुम्हाला सर्व्हिस देणारच आहेत. अंडरस्टूड?
होम डिलिव्हरी.
होम डिलिव्हरी.
होम डिलिव्हरी इज द अनदर वे. अनदर आता तुम्ही एकदा
त्यांचे जर कॉन्टॅक्ट असेल तर आपण त्यांना मेसेजेस
व्हेरी गुड. दॅट इज द पॉइंट आय एम एक्सपेक्टिंग. दॅट इज द पॉइंट आय एम एक्सपेक्टिंग.
झोमॅटो आणि ते
येस,
त्यांचे मेसेजेस येतात.
You can send the messages to your customer. You can wish them on the festival, etc., etc. Correct or not? You can send the festival offer information to your customers, discount offer to the customers. Now only when this will become possible, only when your hotel will have the information system available. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And that is nothing but our third important role being performed by the information system in the organization. The question on this point most of the time being asked for the 8 to 10 marks. Role of the information system in the organization. I hope all of you have got all the roles.
Yes sir.
Okay, so even if you have any doubt, you can go through the video after I upload it. Here you might be facing some delay in the voice. I am also facing that. Okay, so you can go through the video also when I upload it. And let me take the attendance now. Okay, guys, that's it from the today's session. If anybody having the doubt, yes.
No, sir.
Okay, so shall I conclude?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you, thank you,
Thank you, sir.
thank you very much. Okay, okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay. I have the one quote for you, guys. Wait. All of you are there.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is the today's quote for all of you. You can't have a better tomorrow if you are still thinking about the yesterday. It doesn't mean that you have to forget what we have learned yesterday. Correct? Means what? If something mistake has happened from you yesterday, you have wasted the time. Like if you have done any bad things, that you have to forget and you have to carry on. That is the point I want to make here. Okay, thank you.